In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ClickUp. Creating templates is one of the best ways to save time and keep your projects consistent. So let's walk through this together step by step. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the list that you want to turn into a template. This might be a project list you've already built out with tasks, subtasks, custom fields, and views that you like. Make sure this list is set up exactly how you'd want it to look every time you reuse it, because whatever is in this list right now is what your template will be based on. Once you're on the correct list, look for the List Options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a similar icon near the list name at the top of the screen. Click on that menu to reveal more options related to your list. From the drop-down that appears, find and click on Save as Template. This tells ClickUp that you want to capture the current structure and settings of this list so that you can reuse it later. When you click this, a template creation panel will open. In this panel, you'll first be able to name your template. Click on the Template Name field to highlight it and type in a clear, descriptive name. A good tip is to include the type of project and maybe the team or process it's for, so you can recognize it quickly when your template library grows. Next, click on Add Description. Here, you can write a short explanation of when and how to use this template. This is really helpful if you work with a team or even for your future self, so you remember the purpose of the template and any special instructions. After that, click on Add Tags if you want to categorize your template. Tags make it easier to filter and search for templates later, especially if you create many of them for different clients, teams, or workflows. Type in any tags that make sense for your setup and confirm them. Review everything you've entered: the name, description, and tags. When you're happy with your settings, go ahead and click on Save Template. ClickUp will now save your current list as a reusable template that you can apply to new lists or projects in the future. And that's it. You've successfully created a template in ClickUp that will help you launch new projects faster and with a lot more consistency.